Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, uGabisile, angazi ukuthi yingane or what, but she is confessing her sins or izono that her and her mother did one by one. So we see guys uGabisile telling ubaba wakhe uPhakathai ukuthi baba ukhona esakwenza kuMabusi. All we see, guys, is that Utifa, Shame Ubaba Utifa, you can just see a tear rolling down his eyes. Able, guys. And then Ukabsila goes on to say, we did that. Or they show a scene where that old scene where Ulokuzana Umamzobeke she was asking uGabisile ukuthi sure ukuthi leni phenti le ela Mabusi, and then uGabisile was like, I'm 400% sure. So uGabisile says to ubaba ukuthi we did that enzele sivale yena benozamxolo ukuthi they must not have any children or any kids. Kanti ke baba ngatshontsha iphenti elirongo. And then we just see uPhakathai saying ukuthi watshontsha elikabani, you guys. Yo guys, mina umbuzo wami is that ukhona nje umuntu ophila njengoPhakathai in the real life, because hayibo guys, uningi at this point other people are saying ukuthi abamkhiphe, because hayibo, even if we are actor, these things are too much guys. It's one skata after one skata. Like, what did this man do to deserve a wife like that and then a child like that, you guys? I got uGabisile shame, guys. She has decided ukuthi she's going to come clean with everything and keep her one by one, you guys. Hey guys, kusazoshuba. Anyway, some of us never thought this day would come, but listen, it is finally here. Guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.